Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have few pieces of, this is tiger grouper fish slices, right? And then I'm going to steam this, and then I will make some very simple steamed fish sauce using some minced salted black bean, ginger, coriander roots, and also garlic. Let's prep the fish a little bit. I'm going to give it some fine salt. You can put in a few pieces of ginger if you like. I'm going to send this to the steamer. Right, so heat up your steamer. Put in the fish and we shall steam it for approximately 7 to 8 minutes, and let's quickly go and make the sauce. Alright, let's get ready a pan. Give it a little bit of oil. We're going to saute the fresh ingredient. Heat it up first. Once the oil is heated up, let's put in the fresh herbs. And immediately you can smell the nice aroma. Saute this for a minute plus before we continue. Ooh, already super fragrant. Right, this is after about 1 minute. I'm going to add in some hot water. Let's give it a little bit of seasoning. Some fish sauce. A little bit of fine salt, light soy sauce, few dashes of white pepper. If you prefer darker color, then you can actually put in some dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce. Oh, super fragrant. To even bring the flavor to another level, tune down the fire, too hot already. I'm going to put in some fried garlic and garlic oil. This is optional, but good to have. Let's give it a little bit of fine sugar as well. Ooh. This is a bad example. And our steamed fish sauce is done. Ooh, super fragrant. Right, this is after about 7-8 minutes. Wow! Look at how whitish it is. Let me show you. Can you see this? So beautiful. And we have some fishy water there, steamed fish water. We are going to try to remove the fishy water. Right, I have removed the fishy water, and let's drench our steamed fish sauce all over the fish. Done. Oh, I think I got some inside. Let's put some inside. Okay, done. I hope you like my very simple steamed fish video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. This dish is inspired by one of the restaurants I went to. Thank you very much. Bye bye.